Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is the calculation of median in case of frequency distribution series. Frequency distribution series में हमारे पास दो किस्म की सीरीज होते हैं, एक है एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज और दूसरी है इनक्लूसिव सीरीज. फॉर एग्जांपल एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज किसको कहते हैं? यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे दिस इज एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज, दिस इज फ्रॉम 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. सिंपली आप याद रखिए यहाँ पे 0 to 10, 10 is repeated. When the upper limit is repeated, 0 to 10, it is L1 and it is L2. L2 is repeated again, it is 10 to 20, and 20 is again repeated here, 20 to 30, and 30 is again repeated here, 30 to 40. This is simply called exclusive series. So, in case of exclusive series, how to calculate median? First of all, we will find here what is the median group. Median group को निकालने के लिए हमारे पास फार्मूला है. So median is equal to size of n divided by tooth atom. हम यहाँ वहां पे लिख देते हैं n plus 1, यहाँ पे है simply n divided by tooth atom. So n is the number of atoms in a given series. It is 100 divided by 2 atom. That means 100 divided by 2 becomes equal to 50. 50th atom. जिस तरह हमने डिस्क्रीट सीरीज में पहले ये निकाला क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, यहाँ पे भी हम पहले क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालेंगे. Cumulative frequency, we convert this frequency into cumulative frequency as I earlier told you how to convert this. This is 15. This is 15 plus 30, but you have to take into consideration whether the data is increasing or decreasing order. This is in increasing order, so we calculate the cumulative frequency from above. This 15 plus 30, which comes equal to 45. 45, 30, 15 plus 30 comes equal to 45. 45 plus 20 comes equal to 70. 70 plus 20 comes equal to 90. 90 plus 10 comes equal to 100. So this is our cumulative frequency. So we have to find the fifth atom. It is the 50th atom. So 50th atom, it lies here in the cumulative frequency of 70. It cannot be found in 15 or in 45. It can be found in 70 because 70 is greater than 50. 45 is less than 50. So 50, it can be found in here in 70. So we can say 50th atom lies in cumulative frequency of 70, whose corresponding class is, its class is 20 to 30, class is 20 to 30. So this, our median lies between this 20 and 30. So we have to find out the median. In order to find the median, we have the formula here. Median is equal to, it is a L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F and Y. This is the formula for calculating median in case of frequency distribution series, this continuous series. It is L1. What you have to do first, you have to find out the median class. Our median class is 20 to 30, and I have already told you how to find out the median class. It is size of n divided by tooth atom. N divided by tooth atom, it is 100 divided by 2, which comes equal to 50. 50th atom, and 50th atom, you have to find out the 50th atom in here in the cumulative frequency. Simply 50th atom lies in the cumulative frequency of 70, whose corresponding value is 20 to 30. Corresponding class is 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is our median class. So we have to find out the median here. So in order to find out the median, the formula for calculating median is L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So what is L1? L1 is the lower limit of the median class. So जो हमारा median class इसका जो lower limit है, that is 20 to 30 is the median class. Its lower limit is 20. So we will write here 20 plus n by 2. N is the number of atoms in a given series. It is 100 divided by 2, which we have already find out. This comes which comes equal to 100 divided by 2, which comes equal to 50. Minus CF. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency उस क्लास की cumulative frequency हमें लिखनी है जो हमारे median class से पहले आता है. हमारे median class, हमारा जो median class है 20 to 30, इससे पहले कौन सा आता है 10 to 20. We have to write the cumulative frequency of 10 to 20, that's 45 here. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, which is 45, divided by F. F is the frequency of the median class, which is 25. And I is the class interval. Class interval is here 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, here it is 10. So we will calculate here median is equal to 20 plus, this is 50 minus 45 comes equal to 5, divided by 25 into 10. Simply we write here, this is median is equal to 20 plus 50 divided by 25. These 5 tens are 50, 25 into 1 is equal to 25. So this is 50, 52, 25 into 2s are 50. Here comes equal to median is comes equal to here. Median is equal to 20 plus 2, which is equal to 22. So 22 is our median here in case of frequency distribution series. Thank you very much.